It's a quiet morning. Little Miss Zulu Joy just laying here with me in the chair while I enjoy some coffee and breakfast. Always nice to have her on my lap. We hope you're having a great day today. You wishing everybody a good day, Zulu? Yeah, she has that way of wishing things with her eyes. Like, I wish you'd give me more of that banana, Daddy. Oh, look at her looking away now. She's like, I refuse to be on camera. Oh, come on. Yeah, you know you don't mind. Anyway, I do have some more banana here to give her, so let's do that. Yum. She loves it. Of course, now our brother's over there on the couch looking at me like, where's mine? I guess we should give him some too. There you go, buddy. All right. Right? What? Yeah. So cute. All right, everybody. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video. Right, Zulu?